Hi everyone, it's MADSTAR back again with another video. And today I want to be talking about a cruise ship stock, and that's none other than Carnival Corporation. So today I'm going to be providing 3 reasons why I like that stock so much and why you should be buying this stock. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have the market opening in 10 minutes, and pre-market Carnival is down actually 5%. So it's currently trading at $11.82. So I want to mention this to you guys that Carnival 6 months ago was at $50 and its current dividend yield is 16%. So firstly, let's start with the dividend. What I think about this dividend is that the dividend, they're not gonna pay for at least 1 or 2 years. So if you're thinking about the dividend, I wouldn't really think short term about it, because I'm pretty sure they won't be paying it for the first 2 years, as they'll need a lot of cash basically to overcome this. So I do think that the dividend is not really important right now, even though it has a dividend yield of 16%. But other than that, it has a good dividend yield. But I just want to make you guys aware that they're not going to pay for the first 1 or 2 years, so maybe even 3 years, guys. But who knows? So the reason why Carnival has fallen so much over the past 2 months, basically since February, is because that no one's actually taking the cruise liners anymore, and they're just parked in the harbor basically. So, and basically because of this coronavirus situation, it depends how long it will take for the cruise liners to get back. So that's where this comes. So as I look at the graph of the curve of coronavirus, the US cases and cases around the world seem to be stabilizing. So I think there will be a decrease in cases. And if there's a decrease of cases before summer, because summer is when the main industry is booming, everyone's on the sea. The summer is the main time, the peak for this industry, so that's where they make the money. So if it can open by June, or maybe at July, that's like the season of the summer holiday, then the stock will be a great buy. So that's my first reason. My second reason is that I've been studying this stock a lot, guys, and when I look at its balance sheet and its cash flow, I see a really good thing, and that's the assets this stock has. So it has a market cap of 9 billion, Carnival Cruise, but its assets are almost worth 50 billion, guys. Yes, it's assets. So what are assets? Maybe their assets can be their ships, their cruise ships. So they're actually paid off. I don't think they're paid off. So paid off, I think their net value is 30 billion. So actually it's worth 3 times more than the actual market cap. So market cap is the total amount of shares times the price the shares is trading at. So in this case, to know how many shares there are, you'd have to divide 9.2 billion by 12.42, and then you know how many shares there are in the market. But you can also search this up. So that was my second reason. And my third reason why I think Carnival cruise ship, like Carnival the company, is a great buy right now, is because of the whole coronavirus situation, guys. Because it's at such a low price, guys, it can easily double your money in a very short term of time. So as the market starts to rise, as the cases decrease, it's gonna go really high with the market. So if the market, like the S&P 500 or Dow Jones, the market's at 1%, this stock would probably outperform the stock market by probably 5%. Every 1% the stock market goes up, because there's just so much to go, guys. And I think a 9 billion valuation for this is just ridiculous with the amount of money that they've been making year after year profits. And by just studying their balance sheet, I think it's a great buy. But other than that, I do recommend you guys to see this stock yourself, do a bit more research, go to some websites like the Motley Fool is a nice website, and actually read about it. But one thing I want to make you aware about is that they're not going to be part of this bailout 2 trillion stimulus package basically. And that's because most of the workers are from abroad and not actually America, and they're actually registered in Puerto Rico. So they won't be part of this bailout, and that's why we saw on their stock like it went to 16 from 8 and then back to 8. So that's one of the reasons. But other than that, I still think they'll be able to overcome the situation if it just is this year. If this coronavirus situation goes till the next after this year, then there will be a big problem. So that's a risk of owning this stock. But really guys, I recommend you guys to be confident when you're investing and to know what you're investing in. So I do recommend you to listen to my advice, but make sure to research by yourself and know what you're investing into. So that was my recommendation for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the smash button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys soon.